how to negotiate the Testos junction from a variety of ways. We're now turning left off the A19, mirrors, signal. And when we see the slip road, move to the left. You can move to the right straight away using local knowledge, but I would wait until you receive the instruction from the test examiner at this point. We know we're going to turn right, mirrors, signal, blind spot, and cross into the far right lane. We're following the A184 east, heading towards Bolden. Continuing to indicate right, make progress if the traffic lights are on green. As we pass the lights, left mirror, blind spot, indicate, and spiral out into the left-hand lane. As we exit the roundabout, making progress, beware of the swans. Ask your driving instructor to explain that. We're going to follow the B1298, the left-hand lane. Check your mirrors, indicate. Looking to the right, clear to make progress. So make progress down the B1298. The speed limit remains as 40 miles an hour. Approaching the next roundabout, you can see clearly marked on the road lane dividers. As you go around the roundabout, you must stay in the left-hand lane. Check your right mirror here. Indicate left and continue making progress to the next roundabout, where you'll take the roundabout in the same manner as the one behind you. Cars in the right-hand lane are turning right and make progress up to the next set of traffic lights. We're following the signs for the south, which is straight ahead. Continue to make progress, and as we go down the bank you'll notice the speed limit changes to national speed limit. It's clearly marked, but in front of you the road takes a sharp turn to the left. It's quite often a mistake to go too fast around this corner, but you need to increase your speed, mirrors indicate, blind spot, and where safe, emerge onto the A19 and make progress at the correct road speed. Taking the next exit, mirrors, signal, and move into the slip road. We're going up to the next roundabout and turning left. We're following the A184 east towards Sunderland. Lights being on green, we'll make progress. And remember, beware of the swans. This time we're following the A184 east. So here the road gets a little wider. The sign says stay in the right portion of the lane. So at the roundabout we're going to go straight ahead in the right hand lane. Again looking to the right. Is it safe to emerge? Look left, indicate left, and continue to make progress down the road.